Katrina interview, take one.
If I was an alien
Uh-huh.
and I landed here on Earth and I said, Katrina, what's going on with all of these folks? Like, how would you describe what's happening with our people who are suffering around us right now? How would you describe that to someone who doesn't understand it at all?
I mean, I guess I would start with the world got cruel. Maybe it's always been cruel.
My first attempt, I was 7 years old, at suicide. That was my first attempt. I felt invisible. I felt that I didn't belong anywhere. I never connected. I was always on the outside looking in. I never connected to anyone or anything. I come from trauma where, we were raised with children not to be seen or heard. Well, it was neither for me. They didn't even put a name on a birth certificate.
We have never addressed the root causes. We don't do enough to kind of heal the community as a whole. And so people are out just recreating the same trauma, and it's generational, right? And so it takes a lot to break that.
I walk into sound. All these different layers were on me. Hopelessness, sadness. No one chooses to be homelessness. No one chooses to be so bowed down with alcohol and drugs. But from what they're coming from, the trauma that they're coming from, it builds, like I said, those layers. Those layers are on you. It's your choice to want to get help. But if sound wasn't here, for me to walk in with that choice and know that this is someplace I can come, where else would I went, So sound helped me to learn how to love myself, right? And then I was able to see some hope. My life began at sound, let's say that. I was born at sound. So we have to do this professional disclosure. I say, my name is Sage, and I'm a certified peer counselor. Do you know what that is? When you see someone transform into something they weren't when they walked in, when you see someone laughing and oh, I got this job, and just when you see them transform into positivity, that's what I do this for. It's like, oh, yeah, yes.
When people start to heal, they start helping other people heal. I mean, they do, whether they mean to or not. When people have found that path and they feel better, they want people around them to feel better. It cascades out, you can't help it, right? And so as people heal, they bring it back to their community. They help their kids, right? That's a big one, right? If we have healthier adults who can teach kids in their community to have healthy emotions and process and seek help early, then we get ahead of the whole thing too, right? And so that all has a ripple effect. It can't lose. It's paramount.
I want to say this to the founders. If you're looking for a place or a charity or something, to see something tangible, to see something that's worth your money, this is it. Because I promise you, if you'd have known me back then, you'd probably look at me like, oh, poor thing. Poor thing. And they can't say poor thing no more. They say, oh, here comes Sage, you know, because, and not only do sound help people gain their footing, look at me, now I'm working at sound, and I am part of sound. Here I am, living proof, living proof.